very much for being here. Now, if you saw the post on my personal profile today, or in my opinion yesterday when I put it in, I've got a way to get an absolute shed load of free funnels, and you can get them from a place where maybe you missed, maybe you didn't see it. I certainly didn't see it. Friend of mine actually put this online yesterday, and I thought, do you know what? I've got to send this out to the group. I've got to make sure these guys know it's all there for you. So, are you ready for the big reveal? Are you ready? Okay, let's check it out. Where did you get the free funnels from? That's right, ClickFunnels. But before you stop the video, I want to show you this, because this is the stuff that you can't see normally, okay? This is actually on the main page. So you scroll right down, head down to here. Now, if you don't have a ClickFunnels account, I have a button to press. It'll be in the description here. It will send you straight to this page, and you can start getting these free funnels right away, and you'll get absolutely tons of value from it. Massive load of bonuses from me, so win to win. Anyway, so what are we looking at? What do you want to do? Do you want to generate leads? Do you want to run a webinar? Do you want to send emails? Oh, that's good. I'm waiting for that one, right? Sell products, so e-com, coaching, masterminds, anything like that. Generate leads. Who doesn't want to generate leads? Right, let's go check out generate leads. So, little video here from Russell. Keep with me, guys. This is the fun stuff, right? So what do you want to do? Do you want application funnel, where it's mostly coaching and masterminds? Or do you want a squeeze page? Everyone likes collecting leads. Let's go and get a squeeze page. Right, now, these are all the top performing funnels within ClickFunnels itself. I can't stress that enough. These are the funnels which are actually making people the most money. So what do we do when we want to be successful? We find someone that's successful and model what they're doing already, okay? And that's how this thing works. Massively important. Get it done right now. Click that link on this video, go see it. It's awesome, and you will thank me later. So if you already have a ClickFunnels account, that's great. You just go straight into your account. If not, then you need it. Go get it now. You're going to start making a lot more money for your business. This is going to just open your world up completely. So what do we got here? So we've got strategy things, how to get more visitors. These things just grab free reports. So if you've got a report, you can do that. Find out where your followers are going. Opt in. I love that. Just opt in. Oh, that's nice. Yoga, so that's great for clients and stuff like that. You can switch that out for anything. So it might be gym, like I said, yoga. It might be massage or anything like that. It's great for that. How to get unlimited leads for autopilot. That's one there. Supercharge your business. Show you how to get leads and stuff like that. So this stuff is really cool. Really cool. You need this. Like I said, go get that thing. Right. What else we got? Let's just head back. Sell products. Right. Let's see what we're selling products. What do we want to do? Tripwire. If you don't know what Tripwire is normally is something that's very small. So it's kind of like a small ticket item, and then you can often go ahead and upsell people further along the line. So you might say, okay, well, let's say, oh, we can give you a nice glass here. It's like $2. If you go ahead and click the link now, we'll send it right out to you. So they click that. Next page, surely you want 2. What about you and a friend? 2 glasses. It's going to be $3.50 instead of like 2 each. Then it's $3.50. Or what about 4? Next page, 1-click upsell. Again, so these things make you more money as it goes along. So that's kind of how it works. That's what the Tripwire goes for. You can go big, you can go sales led, so you can sell higher ticket items and stuff like that. Or a product launcher, if you've got something really cool going on, then you can actually launch it from a product, which is great if you're doing like big masterminds or big product sales, or you're doing courses, things like that. These are the ones to go. Let me just check this out. Product launch. This is something interesting for me because I'm going to need this stuff. Right. Okay. So there's lots of stuff there. Let's preview the fitness one. Let's have a look at this. Right. Okay. So what have they got? They got Business fitness. I like that. Right. Okay. So then a thank you. So they put the details in there. They watch the video and the thank you, and then there's like, oh, hang on, it's there. Oh, this tells you where to send the training. So they've gone from there to there. Next video. So all this stuff gets sent out by your email. So your email autoresponder will send that all out, and it just keeps going on from there. So it's all really cool. Anyway, so that is just a quick taster there. So hopefully that gives you some really cool idea, and we'll speak to you again soon.